This is how you sound like a native Korean. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Aina and I make learning Korean fun and engaging. You ready for the secret? This is it. Know how to pronounce the Korean double vowels accurately. We have 11 double vowels in Korean and let's say each of them with me. First one is e. Second one is also e, just spelled differently. Third one is ye, as in, yeah, I get it, ye. Fourth one is also ye. Next one is we, as in, wait, we. Next one is also we, but the second one means why, we. Seventh one is wa. Next one is we, and this means up, we. Ninth one is wo, as in whoa, calm down, wo. Next one is another we, it's just spelled differently. And the last double vowel is ui. Say u and e together really fast. Ui. Feel free to check out my courses and ebooks to learn more Korean, and as always, you got this!